So the first type of shadow that we'll talk about is the long shadow. So let's take any image with transparency, even text will work fine. Add shadow to it, change it to long. We want the light coming from the top left. So change the angle to that. Fade it a bit, fade it a lot actually, and limit its length. Increase the opaqueness a bit, that's too much, that's good. Now the text looks a bit too flat, so add a bevel. Change the angle to match the light. And change the intensity a bit. That's good. The text is a bit too big. Let's reduce the font size a bit. And oh, I really dig this tiny text look. Increase the distance between the letters. Excellent. Now instead of abstract floating text, let's add something that belongs on a wall, like a typewriter. You can give it its own shadow, and that might be a good idea if you want more control over the shadow, but then you'll have to edit every shadow separately. Here I don't really need that extra control. I want the same long shadow for all of them. So add it before the shadow, so the shadow will be applied to all of them, and put it here. Okay, this time let's put something that actually belongs to a wall, like this painting. Put it somewhere to the left. Now, if you see everything goes dark like this, it's because the light source that casts the shadow, which is somewhere at the top left, is being obstructed by something. The painting in this case. It's covering the light, and everything goes dark. So either move the light in the shadow node, or move the object covering it. I'll move the painting to around here. Looks good. Now, because the shadow is applied to all three, you can change it, and all three will update correctly. Great. Now, long shadows do not work for everything. For example, this clock, it's a mesh clock, so it has many gaps, and also there's usually a small gap between the clock itself and the wall. So the long shadow will not look right here. A better fit for this clock is a drop shadow. So add it to the clock. It already looks decent. Mix it with the rest. Move it to around here. The clock looks a bit too flat, so same thing with the text, add a bevel. Change the lighting to match the rest, and edit it to how you like it, and we're basically done. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like if you did. You can download and try Carrot yourself, and find more tutorials at carrotjam.com. See you next time. Take care.